All right, a Amazon seller reached out to me. Want to know if I wanted to review a charger that's supposed to charge power tool batteries, no matter what brand. It says 18 to 21 volts. But let's get the camera down here and show you the boxes, and then we'll get into it. All right, as you can see, Octopus brand, second edition. As you can see over here on this box, it's supposed to charge all of them. Now, I don't know if it'll charge this one. I don't know if it'll connect to it or not, hook to it, but we're going to find out. I got this one or these two and a Ryobi battery. Not a Ryobi battery, that is a Ryobi battery. I got two Ryobis and a Milwaukee battery that need to be charged. So let's get the box open and get into it, right? All right, as you can see, it comes very well packaged. This was under here. That was in this box. Then your different ones go in these boxes. That's pretty cool. They spent a lot of money on packaging, didn't they? And then, of course, you have a card here. Nothing on the back. You got this here. Let's see if I can get that to stand up by itself. All right. Got a big old warning card. Now it said read all instructions, but instructions, unless they're on that card. And it also comes with some extra fuses. I guess they go in right here if you blow it. The fuse, that is. All right, so let's get all the rest of these things open and check them out. Okay. Came with this. This plugs into the charger. I don't know if you can see that. Just plugs into there. The charger has a green light on it. It's sure to be red when you plug the batteries in. Comes with it has four of these on it. It's like a splitter. And then you plug one of these into each one of them, right? And it says it'll charge 4 batteries at once. Unfortunately, I don't have 4 batteries that are dead. I have 3. So I need to get one more out. If I can get it to work on the Ryobi batteries, I don't know. But here's how it's made. They're pretty easy. I don't know if you can tighten this up or not. It's got some screws in there. Maybe you can. I don't know, because it's pretty loose. And they also swivel this way for how you need to get into the battery, right? But I don't know how I'm going to hook that to the Ryobi batteries. Gonna have to figure that one out, huh? Anyway, let's get into it. See how it works and see how long it takes to charge the batteries. Okay, as you can see, it's not easy to get these to hook up to these Ryobi batteries. I wouldn't recommend doing this with the tie straps like I got it, but just for the sake of seeing if it'll charge, you see that one's dead. That one's dead. Now the Milwaukee is not all the way dead. It's halfway, but I'm gonna get it hooked up and then plug it into the charger and see what happens. Okay, well, as you can see, I got it hooked up. They're a little bit wide, if you ask me. They don't really fit in these Milwaukee batteries. It says not to force it, but you have to kind of force it in there. Now it probably won't get a good connection in the tool. I don't know, I'll have to see. And if it does mess it up, I'll let everybody know. I might have to take this battery apart and bend the prongs in there. And there's that set up like that. I don't recommend doing that. Probably shouldn't use it for Ryobi batteries, although it shows it for Ryobi batteries, but it shows Ryobi batteries made like this, and Ryobi batteries are made like that. So there that is. And it does have the owner or instruction manual to it. And as you can see, it's red now because it's charging. All I did was plug it in there after I plugged all the batteries in. I don't know about this. Well, now we wait. We'll see how long it takes to charge these 3 batteries, and I'm not going to make you wait, obviously, but I'll turn the camera off and turn it back on when the batteries are charged. I don't know how you're supposed to know when they get charged. I know that light over there on the charger might turn green, but does that mean all of them are charged? I mean, it ain't going to charge them all at the same rate. There's a 5 amp hour, a 4 amp hour, and a 2 amp hour battery, right? One's not as dead as the others, and whatever. They're not going to all charge at the same rate, same time. So I'll let you know. All right, let's check this Milwaukee battery. As you can see, it charged it. Now, it's still plugged in. I'm going to unplug it in a minute and show you that it is charged. Charged it in, it was 9:30 to 9:44, or 9, like 12 to 14 minutes. But it was only half down. It wasn't all the way dead. Now, these Ryobi batteries, as you can see, I guess you can see that, it's still flashing. It doesn't appear to be charging them at all. So we'll see. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'll put something at the beginning of this to remind you. I have something very cool coming up at the end of this video, so stick around. It's going to be pretty cool. I think you'll like it. Okay, here's the Milwaukee battery again. As you can see, it did charge it. It didn't take very long to charge it either, but then again, it wasn't all that dead either. It don't look like it damaged the little connections inside there. We'll see. But, well, this one came off when I unplugged this. Came loose from the Ryobi battery. Had it tie strapped on. It didn't work. And you can see that Ryobi battery is still hooked up and the charger is green. So that means it's either charged or is not charging the battery. And as you can see, it's flashing, so that means it did not charge the battery. Okay, as you can see, the Ryobi batteries did not charge, so I got them on the regular Ryobi charger. And, in case you didn't notice, there's 2 of these. And we're going to give one of them away. When they reached out to me, wanting me to review this, I told them, sure, I'll review it if you send me 2 of them. That way I can do a giveaway and give one of them away to one of my viewers. So that's cool. Might give both of them away, who knows? So, all you have to do is comment in this video and put Octopus in the comment, and you'll be entered to win one of these. Not sure if I'm going to give both of them away or just one. Obviously, I opened one of them, this one, and this one has never been opened. Anyway, I'll let this run for a week, and then we'll do another video, or I will do another video, and I guess I use a random comment picker maybe and pick a winner and give one of these things away if you want one. So like I said, put the word Octopus down there in the comments. If you don't want to win it, you can still comment, just don't put that word in the comment, right? And let me put it back up here for those that don't really know how to spell. I guess you can see that, just in case you need to know that. There you go. That's pretty cool. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, it didn't charge the Ryobi batteries because it wasn't connected right. It wasn't the charger's fault. It was my fault. It, I guess, apparently is not made for that design battery, because the connections, the little ends, they're almost as big as a wall plug that plugs into the wall, the outlet receptacle, and they go in here. They're almost too big to go in here, to be honest with you. But so it really, there was no way to connect it to the battery, the Ryobi batteries. So that's why it didn't charge them. If it was made like this, I'm sure it would have. And the only other tool I have that has batteries made like this is my Flex, and it's 24 volt. This says it's for 18 to 21 volt. Would it matter? Would it still charge the 24 volt? Probably, but the 24 volt batteries are not dead. Also, as always, if you're not interested in winning one of them, or if you don't win, I give it to somebody else, or somebody else wins, and you want one, go down there in the description, check out the description, and there will be a direct link to this, to my Amazon store, so you can pick up one for yourself. I don't think they're very expensive. Not going to say the price, because the price may be different in your area, and it may change by then, by the time you see this video. Who knows? But there will be an Amazon link to my Amazon store, and this will be, I guess, in Power Tools, maybe. And there'll also be a link. You can go there and check out that list of stuff and find this to get it, or there'll also be a direct link to it. So there that is. So if you want it, check out the link. So anyway, hope you liked it. That's all I got for this video. Comment if you want to win one of these. I'll see you in the next one.